Speech Factor AI. Left-click on the audio you wish to transcribe. Right-click and select Generate Speech Factor AI. As it generates, you can follow along and see the text appear and its progress. You can right-click and select Properties, and then select the Transcript tab here to see the speech factor. If you click this button here, the transcription will appear in this window. Then you can click this button to download, or this button to expand into a larger window. You can search through the call by clicking Search in Record. Here, check the box to use selected calls only, and you can type in a keyword, and it will give you the probability that that is correct, and it will show you the sentence that that keyword is in. If you click the button here, it will open that audio and start playing.
Your cell phone's cutting out. What did you need? I need to get an ambulance.
There you can hear the keyword spoken, and you can see up at the top the transcription. You can also use a search filter to help you with enhanced quality assurance options and looking for spotted words or keywords. Click the search filters here, then scroll down to Speech Factor AI category. Here you can check the box Spotted Words, go back to search, and here is where you can type in words you're looking for. Or if you select transcription, you can also search for keywords. Here, ambulance has returned 3 results. Please note that Speech Factor AI does require a license. It is an added feature.